Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial about the lookup wizard. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can look up a column in a given database. To follow this tutorial, let's open our previously created database. So our database was named workers wage. So if you don't have this database, you can use this option to create a new blank database, and then you add the fields that you will see from this database. So since we already have our database on the recently created opened lists, we can click on it to open. So when you click to open, this is how your database opens. So this is the table we are going to work with. So we have to open this table in a design view. To enable us, go ahead with the lookup wizard that we want. So we shall right click on the table, then we open this table in design view. We open the table in design view because it is from this design view that we can make the settings that we want. So from this design view, we would like to use this field for district, and when you see under the data type, it means that here the data type or the kind of data to be entered in this field for district is supposed to be text, but we would like to change it from being text to lookup wizard. So how do we assign this field a lookup wizard? So we shall use this cell, then we click just besides it to display the remaining data types. Our interest is this last option where we see the lookup wizard. So we shall click on it once. When we click on it, this lookup wizard dialog box is displayed for us. When working with this lookup wizard, it enables you to look up a column which displays a list of values, just as we can see from the description. So this list of values, you can use that very list to choose from. You may not type what is outside the list of values that you have looked up in a given column. So there are two options on how we can create this lookup wizard. This first option, which is saying I want to look up column, I want the lookup column to look up the values in a table or query. So this option implies that you already have some values in a given table or in a given query. So you want to use those values in those tables or in those queries to look up this column of district. But since we do not have any table or any query created as per now, we are saying we want to type the values that whenever we are entering data in this field, we use that very values that are found in that field. So we shall select this option for I will type in the values that I want. So after selecting, we click on next. So when we click on next, then we are taken to another same dialog box but with a different information. Now from this dialog box, we have here the number of columns, which is 1. It is this one, the district column that we want to work with. So from this dialog box, as we can see from this preview, now under call 1, we are going to click in that first cell. So under call 1, we are going now to type in the values that we want to use whenever we are inserting data in this field for district. So our first data or value will be a patch. Then to go to the next field, you can click. Then our next value will be Kasese. Then the next will be Mpigi. And lastly, we shall have Luweero. So these are the only values we want to be in this under this field for district. So we shall not be in a position to type any other values except these ones that we have specified. So since we have already specified the values we want, we can now continue and click next. So when you click next, this wizard again will show you or will ask you that what label would you like for your lookup column. This one we shall leave it the way it is district. Do you want to store multiple values for the lookup? We can leave it as it is. Then we just click on the finish button. So when we click on the finish button, you will still see text as your data type, but we have to go ahead and save our changes. So when we save our changes, we expect that now when we open our table in a datasheet view, we shall be in position to see those values as we type the values in those different cells found in the field for district. So now let us open our table in a datasheet view. To do that, we are going to use this option for view. We click on it, then we select the first option, which is datasheet view. So when we click on datasheet view, we want to really confirm whether those values are now there under this field or this column for district. So to do that, we are going to click in this first cell under the field for district. So when you click there, we can now see the values that we wanted this wizard to create for us. And these are the 4 values that we have created with this wizard. So that is how you can use this lookup wizard to look up a given column. Now as we start entering some data or records in this table, we shall just be either clicking to select or typing only the information that is looked up. Values which are not these ones will not be accepted under this field for district. Hope you found this video tutorial useful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.